Hello, I'm Dr. Dye, co-founder of Molecularity. In today's lesson, we'll discuss unit conversions. We'll start with equality. An equality is a relationship between two units that represents the same quantity. For example, 1 foot is the same distance as 12 inches. Likewise, 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon, and 946 milliliters is the same volume as 1 quart. 1 pound weighs the same as 16 ounces, and 454 grams are in 1 pound. There are 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute. An equality can have many diverse units. Here we have 18 eggs in a carton. This means that 18 eggs equals 1 carton. 12 boxes in a cart, so 12 cartons equals 1 box. 200 boxes in a truck, so 200 boxes equal 1 truck. An equality can be written as a fraction called a conversion factor. This allows us to change between two different units. In this example, let's divide both sides by 1 carton. We have 18 eggs over 1 carton is equal to 1 carton over 1 carton, which is equal to 1. But we can also divide both sides by 18 eggs. So we have 18 eggs over 18 eggs, which is equal to 1, which is also equal to 1 carton over 18 eggs. We get two conversion factors from one equality, eggs over carton and carton over eggs. We can do the same thing with cartons and boxes, and with boxes and truck. The important thing to note is that conversion factors equal 1, so they don't change an equation when you multiply by it. They just convert from one unit to another unit. Let's determine how many eggs are in 2 cartons. I can multiply 2 cartons by 1 carton over 18 eggs, or by 18 eggs over 1 carton, but which way is correct? If I do it the first way, then I'm left with units of carton squared over eggs. With the second way, we get carton over carton, which cancels out, leaving only units of eggs. Always arrange your conversion factors so that it cancels out a unit. All unit conversions are essentially the same. You are converting from one unit to another unit. They only differ in how many steps it takes. Let's find out how many eggs can fit in 1 truck. I need to multiply the truck by a conversion factor. Only the bottom equality has truck units in it, so I'll use it. I made the conversion factor as boxes over truck. This way the truck units cancel out. Now I'm left with units of boxes. I multiply by cartons over box, so that the box units cancel out. Now I'm in units of cartons. Finally, I multiply by eggs over carton, so that the carton units cancel out. I am now left with units of eggs. There are 43,200 eggs in 1 truck. Okay, let's do a question more like one you'll see in class. Given that 1 gallon equals 3,785.4 milliliters, the density of water is 0.997 grams per milliliter, and 453.69 grams equal 1 pound. How many pounds does 2.0 gallons of water weigh? Let's start by creating all the conversion factors that we can. We have gallon over milliliter, grams over milliliter, and grams over pounds. Of course, we can flip the conversion factors. We're changing gallons into pounds. Which conversion factor do we use first? There's only one that has units with gallons, so let's change gallons into milliliter. Note that gallons is on the bottom, so that the gallon units cancel out. Now we're in units of milliliter. Multiply by grams over milliliter, so that the milliliter units cancel out. We are now in units of grams. Finally, we multiply by pounds over grams, so that the grams cancel out. Now we know that 2.0 gallons of water weighs 17 pounds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all of our other helpful videos.